Here's a refreshing twist to your favourite Meetha Paan, Paan Shots, topped with a mini Meetha Paan. A perfect party starter that blends the goodness of Paan. Milk, gulkand ice, finished with a cute little Paan on top for that extra indulgence. Looking for a unique desi-style drink with a burst of flavour that will refresh your taste buds instantly? Try these Paan Shots. Whether you're hosting a party, festive celebration, or just craving something fun and flavourful, this quick and easy recipe will be a total hit. Bonus treat, mini Meetha Paan on top. Don't miss the sweet surprise at the end. It's not just a drink, it's an experience. Perfect for festive gatherings, after meal refreshers, or when you just want to surprise your guests with something desi yet fun. Creamy Paan Shots, topped with a cute Meetha Paan, treat a drink, plus dessert in one. Coolest party shot ever. Cook for, you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Paan Shots. Take 3 to 4 beetle leaves Paan. Make sure to remove the beetle leaves stem. Rinse it well before using. Tear the Paan leaves. Add into blender jar. Add half cup chilled milk. Quarter cup condensed milk. Instead of this, you can add a few scoops of vanilla ice cream. Now take rose petal jam, gulkand. Add 1 tablespoon gulkand in it. Quarter teaspoon fennel powder. Quarter teaspoon green cardamom powder. Add some green gel food colour. Add some ice cubes. Blend everything well. Now, take a small portion of beetle leaves and add gulkand, glacé cherry and tutti frutti. You can add mukwas and nuts as well. Fold it as shown, overlap it and put glacé cherry, toothpick into the centre to secure it nicely. Add some edible silver vark on top of the pan. Our super cute mini topper is ready. Repeat the same procedure for all. Take betel leaf, add rose petal jam, add glacé cherry, some tutti frutti. Make mini pan as shown. Insert a toothpick to secure the pan. Edible silver leaf for a visual appeal. Our super cute mini topper is ready. Take some desiccated coconut. Apply glacé cherry syrup on the rim of the glass so the desiccated coconut sticks well. Roll the glass rim in desiccated coconut for an even coat. Repeat the same procedure for another glass. It's totally optional. Coat well. Our glasses are coated well. It's assembling time. Strain if you want a smooth consistency. Pour pan shake into shot glasses. Garnish with rose petals. Add some tutti frutti. Finally, top it with the mini pan we made earlier for the perfect finishing touch. Do try this delicious 2-in-1 treat. Drink plus dessert combo and share your valuable feedback with us. You can enjoy mini Meetha Paan with this. Enjoy a drink and dessert in one go. Serve chilled and enjoy. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.